Hey guys, so this time I'm going to be doing my maintenance on dry hair. I have never ever done my hair on dry hair, but I've been seeing a lot of people that have sister locks. They don't use all them different products and different stuff like that. So I was like, you know what? I'm about to do my crochet. Um, with a actual doing a dry. I'm sorry, I got my hair. With doing the dry because sometimes I find when you do things wet and when you could do things dry, you get a whole different aspect of it. So we about to do it. I'm gonna be quiet. You guys just watch me and I'm gonna show you how I do it dry. So my hair grows, my locks grow outside of my new growth. And what I mean by that, well, hold on, let me rephrase that. My new growth, hold on. Hey, my name is Akaya. Hope all is well. I took the gum out. Yeah, I took the gum out. I was like, you know what? I was not going to record it, but I was like, you know what? Let me record this for my family, for my viewings. You guys always love learning, and I love teaching it to you. So, again, guys, we are going to be doing a lock maintenance on dry hair. I am going to be, wait, I also remember what I was going to tell you guys. I have the type of locks. Some people have locks that they do grow inside with the lock, but some people have they new growth grow outside of their lock. And I have that type of hair that my new growth grow outside of my lock. A lot of people, some people was like, you know what? No, that's breakage. No, everybody here is not the same. I'm telling you, my new growth grows outside of my locks, even in the front in the nape area. That's why sometimes when you get a retwist, it don't last as long because you have so much new growth. And what I like to do is I either like to interlock it or I like to crochet it. And now I am about to just, again, crochet it on dry hair. So I won't be talking, guys. I'll just show you how I like to do. First, I like to get all my parts together, find what hair go with what hair. Always make sure you do that and use some clips too because that do make it a lot better. I'm about to get in the mirror real quick and find out where all this hair right here goes. So hold on one second. And the way that I do that is I have a double mirror right here. Let's see what we got going on. So I can see you always gotta make sure you take your time. And like I said, use your clips. Always want to make sure you keep your parts nice and uniform. So always get another mirror and check to see what you putting and where. Okay, never just do your interlock without looking at it. But some people can do it. Some people touch and feel whatever is good for you. But I want to teach you the right way. Being able to look at it, see where what goes with what that makes it so much easier. And then take you a ponytail holder and just get it out your way. That's what we doing. We putting all the new growth back inside of the lock that it goes in. That's basically what interlocking is. That's basically what retwisting is. You just put all that new growth. See, look, you see this new growth? All this new growth back where it goes. Okay? And so again, if you have locks that grow like this, don't let nobody tell you that it's breaking off. No, I'm telling you, you see how long my hair is, and I actually cut them, but this is just how my locks grow, especially in this area. Certain areas grow different. So I'm looking in this mirror, y'all, to see what I'm gonna put with what. And always check the one next to it, see how thick or thin it is before you just add it. I can already tell this feel real thin, and this seems to go with this. But you gotta look. You gotta look. And like I said again, I'm looking. So okay, so this goes with this. And then what I like to do, y'all, is get a clip, get a duckbill clip, so you don't gotta worry about nothing getting in the way. Get your duckbill clip, get all that new growth out your way, because you really want to focus on the one that you focus on. You do not want some extra hair getting inside of something else. So hold on one second. I used to think that you had to poke it real hard. No, just go slow. Just go slow and kind of squeeze it a little bit. And you're using the crochet hook like this with the angle going in because you're pulling the hair. So imagine pulling the hair in and just being gentle. And I can truly say, guys, doing it on dry hair is much better. So guys, do it on dry hair. It's not much better, much easier. How about I say that? So much easier because I always want to know what they was doing. And this area of my hair is so itchy. I don't know if y'all got that area that is always itchy. It is always itchy right up in here. Oh, it's so itchy. That felt real good, actually. Okay, so let's do the other one. See, I already put it with it. Check to see where it go first before you crochet it in, because you do not want to put something where something don't go, okay? So then you twist it, give it a good twist, okay? You see all that new growth right here? See that? Hold it. Right there, slowly. Hopefully you can see that. Just slowly take it in. And be gentle because you don't want to poke yourself. I like to use 0.75, 0.60, and 0.50. Try them all and see which one you like better. And I also like, guys, the two-prong one. I like that also. But I don't have a two-prong one that's small. And sometimes I feel the one prong really get everything in there. Just take your time. Just go slow, pulling the hair in. Okay, yeah. I can feel so much better already. Look how all those little hairs are in there now. I love doing this. And like I said, use your duckbill clips to keep everything separated. And use your mirror. That's basically what you're doing. Using your mirror, checking to make sure everything good before you just crochet it. Okay. So again, guys, I'm going to give it a twist. I don't know if you see all that new growth. See all that hair? All that hair? I'm going to hold it. Don't hold it too much. Just go in and out. You know, some people say you gotta go in a circle. I find just sitting there, just pulling the hair in and out. That gets all that hair in. But you work with it. See what works for you. It's always best to try it yourself. Always. You see I'm going in and out, in and out. So good. It's so itchy in that area. This has been my itchy area since I've been young. Even when I had a perm, it was always itchy in that area. Okay, so look, y'all. See? You see how that's in there? We just taking it again, and I can truly, truly say, guys, experiment is the best. And I find, like I said, doing it dry is so much easier. I used to always wet it. If you're doing this technique, do it dry. Certain techniques, you can do things dry, and it works just as good. And like I said, I've seen some people with sister locks, like they'll be putting products. I was like, I'm gonna try and see how it is. Even though this technique is not what sister lock people do, but they get their hair interlocked without using products. So I'm telling you guys, you don't have to use all them products. We so conditioned to use so many different products, and we don't have to do that. Like we don't. And make sure y'all do this on a day that y'all feel like doing it. Because if you don't feel like doing it, it's gonna look a hot mess. And it's very important to keep all these parts in the spot that they go. Okay? Again, you're going to find where everything goes, twist it, give it a good twist, a nice little twist at the root first. Make sure all the rest of the hair is out the way. Okay, and then you grab it. I told you the way that you just imagine going in and out, in and out. If you feel like that you're not getting that in and out rhythm, then you might be going the wrong way. You might want to fix your crochet hook, okay? And just hold it. I'm gonna tighten. I like to always close my eyes when I'm doing stuff. And I just go up and down. I go all the way down to the new growth, and then I go up and do it again, just to make sure everything is in there. And if you're doing it, you don't feel nothing pulling, then you need to go the opposite way. It should be going inside of your lock. And it should not hurt. Okay, there we go. Hopefully that that helped you guys. I just wanted to come to you guys just to show you how to be able to do the crochet method. Again, I use retwist, my interlock. It just all depends. But when I have all that new growth out, I like to crochet my new growth in. Let us know below. Do you like to crochet? Do you like to retwist? What you like to do? Don't forget to comment for more. If you want me to do your locks, I would love to do them. Just leave the information. Comment below, and I can most definitely hook you up. I am located in Dallas, Georgia, and I have classes as well. Okay, be blessed, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, and I got done with pretty good mouth, but not all of it. So I'm just gonna just leave it just like this, and we'll work on it tomorrow. Okay, bye.